tickets for tonight's show. I-12 and I-14 on the ground floor. The show will start at 8 o'clock. Thank you so
Turn the
much.
ringer off. Thank you very much.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you. Yeah, we're here at Ao, which is, from what I can understand, similar to Cirque du Soleil, but this is the Vietnam version. They've been doing this for quite a few years. They've been doing it internationally until COVID came, so they've been doing it locally, in the country, and I assume starting next year they will start going international again. You get a lemongrass drink, or what is that, green tea, lemongrass, whatever, prior to going in. Fun stuff. See if you can get in there. Okay, this is where we're sitting. I-12? I-14? They don't have an I-13. Or someone in I-13 is sitting between us. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I-12 and I-14.
I-12 and I-14.
Who's sitting at I-13?
I-13 is on the left side, so you will sit together. Don't worry.
Where is it? I-12.
I-12 on the right side, the 6th and the 7th seat.
6th and 7th seat.
Yeah.
Okay.